Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to start our challenge day 7. In last 6 days, we have grown our account from $50 to $262. And today we will try to take it further. So we are here on Deriv Bot dashboard and now we will go on bot builder. So if you are trading on Deriv Bot, so you have to do settings. You have to choose volatility, and the main thing you have to choose the prediction. So if you are a member of Alpha Link Pro, so you do not have to worry. Simply we have made a prediction engine in which it analyzes the market 24 by 7 via different perspectives. It checks last 5000 ticks, last 30 minutes data, and overall market analysis. So we will go on our website alphalinkpro.com. So our prediction engine is built with different indicators and strategies according to our bot. So yes, the signal is here. We will trade on volatility 10-1s, and here you can see the data. These are the last signals. Last was R75 and these were the last signals. And now if we have to check like how the bot have done analysis, so we will go here. He have checked last 30-minute charts, the score history, and recent digit data and 5000 ticks as I have told you. But there are different strategies in backend also. So from here we will copy the signal, we will do the settings. This is volatility 10-1s and the trade type is matches and differs. Contract type is differs, and now we will choose a stop loss and take profit. Our stop loss will be 10%, so this will be $27 and our take profit will be $65. We are using 30 to 40% take profit because we are doing the challenge and we trust our bot. So our initial capital will be 5.65. This is the first trade that our bot will take, and from second we will choose 14.76 and our prediction will be 2. So see, this is so simple. So we have done with the settings. Now we have to click on run. After some time the bot will start taking the trades. Here you can see your bot is running waiting for a signal to buy a contract, and the bot will give the signal to buy. So here we have to see the prediction engine. I think the signal is changed, so we have to stop it. That's why I say you have to check prediction engine again and again. So all the settings are done. Simply we have to choose the volatility and the prediction. Okay, all set. Now we will just click on run. This is so simple. You do not have to do anything. If we go on journal, you can see here he is analyzing the last digits. In the transaction, no, nothing is wrong. So no trades have been taken. So we have done the screen size big, display size big at 200%. So you can easily see the real account and all the things. This will be now visible clearly. So here you can see the profit. Our bot have taken 2 trades and all the 2 are 1. So we will check the prediction engine as same signal, and if we go on journal the mathematical calculations are happening. So this is so simple. A lot of clients were saying like how we can create a bot. We are using the trade parameters, purchase conditions, and loops and all the things, but we are not able to make the profit. So I tell them like behind this bot there is 4 to 5 year experience. This is built with coding, and there are a lot of indicators, a lot of strategies that you will not get here. So if you want to learn, we will soon start the mentorship also. So you can purchase the bot. If you have your own strategies, you can contact us and we will make the bot for you also. So we have made our prediction engine also. Here you can see the bot lost the trade and it started taking mathematical calculations like this is great. So we'll go here, we'll check is this signal live and confidence is 92% and still 7 minutes are remaining. So this is great. And if we go here on, yes, as I've told you, if the bot lose a trade, he stops for a while, starts taking mathematical calculation, like doing mathematical calculation, and after he's sure, he plays a trade. This is awesome. So in this challenge, we grown our account from $50 to like we are on to $80. A lot of clients say we want a bot in which we can make $50 to $5,000 in 10 minutes or in one day. This is not possible, bro. I tell them like you have to be consistent and it will take time. Your patience is needed in this bot also. If you have not patience, I will say you do not buy the bot. If you say these things to our team members like who are on WhatsApp chat bot, so they will refuse to give you a bot because if you do not have the patience, you cannot make the profit. So it in 7 days we have grown our account like we will easily reach $310 or $320. So it take us 7 days from $50 to $310, and this is not a like small amount of money, like small amount of cash. If you are making $50 to $300, like this show you our bot accuracy, our prediction engine accuracy, and you have like trust on us. A lot of clients are joining in this challenge and they are growing their account. So if you want to purchase the bot, you have to go on Google, you have to type Alpha Link Pro, and you have to click on the WhatsApp. If you want to know about the bot, you can go here. And if you want to chat to our AI assistant, you can come here and chat with any language, English, Spanish, and France and Portuguese. So if we come back, like 33 trades have been done and we have made $37 profit and our take profit is $65. So we are growing our account slowly and slowly. It will take time, but as our balance will increase, our take profit will also increase. So in trading, one thing, patience. Only one thing. So we have made like $50. That's great. In like 2 minutes, we will hit the take profit. If we go here and check the signal, yes, it's same and still 4 minutes are remaining. Like this is awesome. We have made $54 profit. Now 58, and after three trades, no, not three, after 6 trades, we will hit the take profit. Now 3, now yes, one have increased because we have hit one lost trade. Like now only after 2 trades, we will hit the take profit. See here, this is so simple. We have hit the take profit. Everything is in front of you. This is the real account. And if you want to purchase the bot, you will get this prediction engine for free. This tells you like which volatility you have to choose and which prediction. So if you want to purchase the bot, simply go on our website. This is our authentic website, alphalinkpro.com. You will get the link in the video also. Like you can type on the Google and then click here. This is very simple, and talk to our team. So thanks for watching the video.